Vinny's now standing by with what to expect when the markets open. She's got a couple stocks on her radar that we should all be keeping an eye out for. Good morning, Vinny. Take it away.
Good morning, Varun. So, first I'll start with something that's going to react on the back of the earnings. That's Coal India. Now, the profits have declined by 55% and only come in at 2,079 crores. And this is a year-on-year decline that we are seeing. Now, talking about the revenue of the company, that has also seen a sharp decline of around 20-25%. And it's only come in at around 18,486 crores, while last year it was 24,938 crores. So, surely we are seeing the impact over here on the revenue as well as the profits of the company. Even the margins have seen a sharp decline of around more than 1,000 basis points. If you go to see, the margins have only come in at 16.5% versus 26.5% on a year-on-year basis. So surely we're going to see some impact in Coal India. Moving on to Edelweiss, now that will be in focus on the back of the that Ontario Teachers has partnered with Edelweiss Group to invest around $350 million in the company. That's around 2,600 rupees in the company. And now the agreement will mainly focus on performing and distressed private credit investment opportunities in the Indian market is what is said. Moving on to EIL, now that's on focus on the back of the news that GAIL has entrusted the project for execution of PDH and PP project in Maharashtra to Engineers India, and the estimated value for this is around 448 crores, and the scheduled time for this is 48 months. So sorry, we're going to keep an eye out on EIL today. And lastly, VIP Industries is in focus as the company's board has decided to dispose of the land and building of Haridwar factory of the company on the as-is where its basis, and the operations at this said factory in Haridwar has been suspended since March 2020 due to the COVID-19 disruptions. So surely we are going to keep an eye out on these stocks today.
Okay, Vinny, thank you so much for bringing that to our attention. Like Vinny said, we'll be keeping an eye out for all those stocks. Come to the end of Market Cafe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep it with ET now. But before we go any further, you have the impaired segment.